anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
Hey, what's up, YouTube, and welcome to I'm not going to call it a new segment. It is pretty much an old segment called Dutty Lyrics. If you do not know about Dutty Lyrics is basically where I examine a popular song in my own unique way. So the song for today is Offset's Clout featuring CardIB. No, I've heard the song once, but I've never really gotten a chance to really, put myself into the material and try to figure out what is the vibe of the song.
Anything for clout.
Okay, so first up, what is the definition of clout? Let me just call a friend and see if him can define it for me. Yeah, man.
Yo, Barry, what, man?
So the question is, what define clout? What is clout?
It's a clout. Clout is...
Yeah.
I would say the best definition for clout is online popularity.
Online popularity.
Online.
Okay.
Yeah, popularity. It's like a measure of your popularity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, fair enough.
Anything for clout.
Alright, so there we have it. We got our definition. So let's go into the song. So the song starts off, diamonds on fleek, biatch, I ain't talking about the heat. Oh! No, I don't know who he was having a conversation with, because clearly he was saying something else and this girl probably thought he was talking about, global warming and how the place hot. So Offset is telling her that, no, I'm not talking about the heat. Alright, continue. You put it on the streets, we straight out the streets, we straight out the streets. Straight out the streets to a penthouse. Alright, so you started from the bottom, now you're here. Okay, we get it. I peep these niggas, all sweat, bamboo sticks in the Jeep. Now, I'm a Jamaican. I don't know when somebody talk about bamboo, me automatically assume that a big, something there. But let me see if I can forward the next friend. It said bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. Somebody must know this. Hold on.
Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.
Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. Brr. What does that mean?
What?
Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. Brr.
Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. Brr.
Listen, you're young. You're supposed to know this. I'm reciting lyrics from Offset's Clout featuring CardIB. And one of the lines of him say, I peep these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. I know the backup audio. It's a brr.
I don't really know that song by heart.
So you don't know what bamboo sticks all in the Jeep could mean.
You're breaking up.
So you don't know what bamboo sticks all in the Jeep means.
I think it mean guns in the car.
Oh, so
Yeah.
so like
So like bamboo sticks.
it's like a code word for gun.
Yeah.
Oh, because him no want the feds them find out so that him a sing about, so him just say something like bamboo.
You see me?
Oh, okay, because them white people them not gonna really match it out. Alright, thank you.
Because Jamaicans would have another word for them say strap.
Yeah.
Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.
It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it out my seats, no cure for the IG disease. And yes, the IG disease is clearly clout, because everybody are gonna do it. So I'm jump to the chorus, we do anything for clout. Clout, do anything for clout. Clout, do anything for clout. Yeah, everybody do things for the clout, go down and come back up, twerk all kind of something there. That is what I want. No, this is where it come like say the girl are styling. So Offset is like, I'm not going to take them styling here. I need to put it in your place, because when I say I agree with it, but I'm just working with the sort of vibe where I try to portray in the song. So I must say, biatch, watch your mouth now, girl. Stay in your place. Get out the way like Ludacris. Move. Get out the way. So I took the S out of the snake. I took the soul out of the snake. No, I forgot to call somebody. Hold on.
I said the out of the snake. I said the soul out of the snake.
I call Jeffrey. Yeah, what on? Yeah, I'm recording. I'm calling on your expertise.
Oh, we do.
Okay, so I'm reviewing Offset's and CardIB's song. He says, I took the S out of the snake. I took the soul out of the snake. What that mean?
I took the S out of the snake.
Yeah, I'm saying took the S out of the snake. You never hear the song? Clout, Offset, CardIB.
You don't understand, but men know that line they mean. Sometimes them just settings there. And took the S.
The S.
Get the neck.
Him take the S out of the snake. But snake have neck? Snake have neck?
I don't think so. I don't even know.
Snake. So basically...
What you can do, you can use genius,
So I guess nobody knows what it means. I took the S out of the snake. I took the soul out of the snake. Now, the only thing I can use and relate to this is when Mr. G did have the song there, Debbie, are your friend now, your...
Then G for the accident, out of the crash.
So here's one of the lines that I actually like. So he said, sipping on toxic waste on the low with your biatch, and that is great on the low. So him basically say like him take your girl, but him not really wife her up. She just seem like a side girl. Him have her pan the side and them like something. She not get no post up on Instagram. She not get for go on Christmas Day, a Boxing Day. She get because she's a little what left. She's a little crumbs. She's a little scrap metal gal. And that him really I saying at the song right there. So
Sipping on toxic waste. On the low with your bitch and it's great. On the low. Mask on the face, Jason.
mask on her face. No. I know my mind dirty, you know, but I know him I say, you know, like Superman, no watch me, you! Superman all over her face with the whole of the creme de la creme over her face right here. So him I say, you know, it's a bar that guy, you know, Jason. Freddy versus Jason. Come on, get the drink. Same, go back into the chorus, straight out of the beat to the penthouse, huh? Home with the mean of the Wayne house, huh? He no, huh? Who need, huh?
Doing this thing for clout.
So Cardi B comes in now and says, look, a whole lot of people need to hear this. Facts. Okay, so I guess she has something important that she needs to say. Something that is of value. It's a lot of names on my hit list. No, is Cardi B like Arya from Game of Thrones where no, she wants to kill people and all of these things.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list.
Mouth still say what it wants to. Pussy still wet like a big biatch. No, hang up, time out. Is it me alone didn't know about this? It's a pussy is wet like a big biatch. So I never know. I need to take a phone a friend now. Who can I call? Hello, Trinity.
Yeah.
Okay, she says pussy, still wet like a big bitch. What does that line mean? I'm trying to understand it. Is it that bigger girls are known for having extremely fat vaginas? Is it something that you discuss in your female community?
QCs have, say that again?
Still wet like a big bitch.
Oh yeah, probably, because you know like when fat girls, they like sweat down there a little bit more because their thighs rub together.
Oh,
Yeah,
between
I
the
would assume
creases.
that's what it is.
Oh, because they don't have the extra thigh gap type of stuff, so.
No
Oh.
gap. There's no gap, so it means no breeze.
Oh, wow. Okay, me get it. You see, that's why I'm calling him. I know, you know, you see, you're smart. You're smart. Big up yourself, China K. Thank you.
Bitches is brandy, they wanna be down.
Biatches is brandy. They want to be down. All that talk, and I'm calling you out. Public opinions from private account. Drop line. Drop it.
Public opinions from private account.
Public opinions from private accounts. Whoever wrote that line for Cardi B?
Anything for clout.
Well, that is it, people. I have examined the lyrics for Offset's Clout featuring his wife, featuring his good gal wife, Cardi B. Oh, wow. This song, I didn't realize it was as long as it was. I thought it was just like 2 lines, but apparently it's more than that. I enjoyed reviewing the song in my own dirty interpretive way. Big up to all the persons who are called on the hotline who were able to assist me in understanding what this very deeply intellectual song is about. Alright, so if you enjoyed this dirty lyrics video, there will be more. So make sure to check them out at the end of this this video because I put it up. If you want to, you know, email me or anything, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. And also follow me on my social media, on Twitter especially. It is @DuttyBerryShow. So you can tweet me and let me know which song you'd like me to review next. What else may I leave out? That's just it. Peace out.